Hi, I'm Yash. I'm the CEO of Techflow Media Group, and we're here in the Darling Downs region thanks to Queensland Small Business Week. We are here working with emerging generations on our artificial intelligence workshops, which are preparing them for the workforce of the future. Check out what we've been doing for the past couple of days.
Very much actually. It's something I like doing in my spare time.
AI has taken the world by storm, and we're all about integrating this next generation, this new wave of technology with Techflow's DIY AI robots and software.
It was nice to see how the kids could interact with the AI and use the future development and how they could use it in their lives when they are adults and beyond school, I suppose.
I like the AI workshops because we got to build our own camera robot thing.
I've actually never seen and touched a real motherboard in real life, but I was just examining every feature of it.
It went well. It was lovely to see how the kids worked together as groups and came up to solve the problem.
And also just the hands-on nature of the first section as well, with the robot making and using the program on the computers and stuff like that as well, is what these kids need.
Thanks for joining Techflow on this AI and business workshop tour. We hope to see you in the next one.